Update here today on the 10th of September 2024 about the tornado that hit Portage here on May the 7th of this year. The damage that's still present here in this neighborhood in this tornado. We're going to turn in up here and take a look at some of the more custom homes here that have lost their all their trees. They still have windows out, roofs off, and so forth. You can see right here, as we go in, windows still out. I understand that many of these people had a hard time settling with their insurance companies. And it's been a real nightmare for some of them. You'd think in a more upscale neighborhood like this that there wouldn't be issues with insurance, but man, oh man, are there. And the federal emergency management funds and so forth have not been coming the way that they thought they were going to be coming, but still, now I'm not a wealthy person at all. I'm not close to it. And look at this, the whole side of the house is still on vac. And I have a little 600 square foot home. It's built in 1937. I have insurance. You can't tell me that the doctor and the lawyer or the candlestick maker or whoever it is that lives out here has not been able to get their things back in line. I don't understand it. Go back and take a little closer look. You can see all the trees and everything behind these homes, and of course it's all ripped up. This one's getting a new roof. Down there's new siding going on. And over here there's new roofs too. You can see them up there working on them. We'll head that way just to see. Down here there's some really big trees that were toppled over. One was right here. Took out some of these people's. Going on and all this good stuff. Yeah. Did get hit down here. Just up there on the plane. Oh, I spoke too soon. That one's got big holes in the roof. Right there. See, you just think that insurance would have settled by now. It doesn't. I don't understand it. I guess maybe they come in and they say, no, you're insured for $300,000 and we're going to deduct $100,000 off from that, so you're only going to get $200,000 or something. I thought there was things about guaranteed payments. If this happens, you're guaranteed $300,000 minimum. That's not even Lloyd's of London. Guess maybe some people, even though that they have a facade of wealth, that's all it is. They don't have a dime for the insurance. A good friend of mine told me that he's like a contractor that has $80,000 in the bank and drives a $1,000 work truck. He says he knows people that drive an $80,000 work truck and have $1,000 in the bank. All right, I think these are the same matchup right here. Somebody, see that house right there is still tore up, windows out, screens all busted. Of course, over here you can see the whole woods and everything was flattened. As we go along here, this big white pole that you see here on your right is a flagpole. It's a gigantic flagpole. They haven't had a flag flying on that in many years. More homes here, all tore up yet. Along here trying to get them repaired. Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. I guess the moral of this little video today is, regardless of how much money you have, carry insurance, especially on your vehicle, especially on your home. All right? Have a great day. Talk to you in the next